Hi everyone! Today's video ay cooking tokwa. So, ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ng tokwa. So, ito may dalawa tayong tokwa. At ipakita ko rin sa inyo ang aking gulay. So, ito guys ang aking gulay. May long beans, cauliflower, broccoli, and carrot and baby corn. So, mixed vegetable guys. At meron din tayong mushroom. So, yan. So, itong ating mushroom. Mixed mushroom. This is the brown button mushroom. And we have some small mushroom. And meron din tayong chili. So, itong ating chili. Green big chili and red big chili.